When you are reading in the target language, it might be tempting to use a dictionary to look up every word you don't know. But how much reading can you do when you have to stop and look up a lot of words? Probably not a lot. Before you reach for that dictionary, think about context. There are several strategies you can use to help you understand the meaning of an unknown word in context. Are there clues in the sentence itself that can help you understand the meaning of the word or the character you don't know? What information does the rest of the sentence give you? Where does it occur in the sentence? What about prefixes, suffixes, and other markers? Can you use those to help you decipher what role it plays in the sentence? Does that word or character look similar to others you already know? Look for any part that you recognize. Words or characters with the same root may have related meanings. Are there any visuals, chapter headings, titles, or other additional information that can help you? If these strategies don't help and you still don't understand what the word might be given the context, try reading a whole section of the text, like a paragraph. If you can summarize the meaning in a sentence or two, you probably understood enough that the word doesn't matter all that much. If it does matter that much because it keeps repeating or is critical to the meaning, grab that dictionary. Once you've tried to challenge yourself to figure out what it means before you grab it, the dictionary can be of great help. Happy reading!